Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to continue the top 7 ways to detox your lungs naturally. So I'm going to go over the list one more time. It is steam therapy, controlled coughing, drainage of mucus, exercise, green tea, eating anti-inflammatory foods, and chest percussions. So in this video, I will be going over the next two. We already went through steam therapy and we already went through controlled coughing. The next two we're going to do, which go hand in hand, is chest percussions and drainage of mucus. So what drainage of the mucus is, it's a postural drainage technique that uses gravity to help loosen up the mucus that is lodged in your lungs. So the first postural drainage position or technique we're going to be going over is lying on your back. So what you're going to do is you're going to be laying on your bed or on the floor, and you're going to want to stack pillows up. Then you're going to lay down on the pillows with your hips on it. And you want to make sure, because we're going to use gravity, right? You want to make sure you get your hips higher than your chest, because you want to have the downward pull of gravity from your lungs. Once you do that, you are going to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. But there's one key factor you need to know is you got to do a 1-to-2 breathing ratio, which is you want to inhale for 2 seconds. And if you do that, you're going to exhale for 4 seconds. So whatever your inhale time is, you're just going to double it for your exhale time. So you're going to repeat this process for a few minutes while laying on your back. And then you're going to go to the second postural drainage position, which is going to be on your stomach, which for this position, you're going to be laying on the floor this time. You're going to stack up pillows, and then you're going to lay your stomach on the pillows. But you're going to make sure that your chest, again, is lower than your hips to get the full force of gravity to loosen up the mucus. You will continue repeating the 1-to-2 ratio breathing, again, like inhaling for 2 seconds, exhaling for 4 seconds. And you're going to do that for a couple minutes. And then you're going to go on your side. So once you lay on your side, once again, lay on the floor, stack up pillows, put the pillows on your hip. Make sure your hips are higher than your chest, getting that gravity's force. And you're going to continue the same process again with the breathing, the 1-to-2 ratio. Once you do that for a few minutes, you will flip onto the other side and continue that breathing as well, 1-to-2 ratio for a few minutes, making sure your chest is lower than your hips. So that's what draining of the mucus is. You're just using the gravity to forcefully get out that mucus, but just with breathing, and it is a natural way of doing it. But let's get into what chest percussions are, because it goes right on along with it. Once you do the drainage of mucus, you're going to do the chest percussions. If you're by yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to cup your hands. And remember, you have to find 3 right positions for this. What you're going to do is you're going to do it on your ribs, the sides of your chest, and the sides of your back. Usually you can go to a healthcare provider or a respiratory therapist, and they'll usually do it for you. They're more equipped. But if you go online and you can learn these, which I'm going to go and have another video for chest percussions teaching where on your body to cup your hands and do this rhythmic tapping. But for now, I'm just going to jump right into what it is. You're going to cup your hands. You're going to go to your ribs, side of your chest or side of your back, and you're going to rhythmically hit it. But you want to make sure you hear a hollow sound because your hand is cupped. And what that does is it's going to remove the excess mucus that is in your lungs. And that's why I'm saying it goes well with drainage of the mucus, because you already loosened it up there. And this right here will loosen up the more of it. So you can use controlled coughing and cough it right on up. And yeah, you can do all the other 4. Steam therapy, right? It already loosens up your mucus. And then you can go right on into drainage of mucus, do the chest percussions, and last but not least, you can just throw in controlled coughing, because by that time that mucus should be already loose and getting ready to cough it right on up. So those are the 4 ways to detox your lungs naturally. If you want to go back to the previous video, I get more into detail about the steam therapy, which is steam inhalation, and go into controlled coughing and how to do it. This one again is just chest percussions, removing the excess that's left over mucus from your lungs, and drainage of the mucus is pretty much loosening it all up so you can perform these other techniques to help you clear out your lungs naturally. So if you guys are getting great information, please like and subscribe to this video. I will have more context. I will continue the 7 steps. I still have 3 more, which I'll be putting into 2 videos because green tea and eating anti-inflammatory foods will go together. So that'll be 1 video, and the last one will be exercise. So thank you again for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, share this video, and if you want any other type of content, any other type of detox, just message it in the comments below, and I'll do my research and make a video just for you guys. You can always find me on Instagram. You guys can find me on Twitter at JKVandermark, and I will see you guys next time on my next episode. Thanks, guys.